Horses out, the Armory, best to begin, moving up party outside, Calibato Kid together with Ginny's Rosa, Perfect Pajama, then comes Deputy Jess, Pasencio Sai, and two bar behind this Perfect Game, Calibato Kid by about 2 lengths, moving up now to take second is Perfect Pajama, Armory's down on the inside third, Deputy Jess, moving up Ginny's Rosa, Pasencio Sai, then a long way back to Perfect Game. They swing into the back. And it's still Calibato Kid. Perfect Pajama is sorry outside. Pressing up. Pasencio sa in third. Armory. Deputy Jason Pip and Ginny's Rosa. And it's still Calibato Kid moving up. Perfect Pajama fighting out for the lead. These two now collided in front. Perfect Pajama takes the lead by a lane. Calibato Kid in second. Deputy Jazz now trying to get closer in third and followed by Armory, Pasencio and Ginny's Rosa as they come down to the last 150. We have Perfect Pajama now racing away by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Deputy Jazz. Last 50 meters we have Perfect Pajama and finally Perfect Pajama. Deputy Jazz, then comes Ginny's Rose, Calibato Kid, Armory number 6, Pasencio.